Have you ever wondered why crows are so intelligent? You might have heard the story of a crow dropping pebbles into a pot to raise the water level. That isn't just a story. Look, a crow isn't just an ordinary bird. It is nature's living computer. A crow's brain is about the size of a walnut, but inside there is an explosion of neurons. Its brain contains more neurons than a human's. It has a part called the nidopallian caudulator allele, which functions like the human prefrontal cortex, meaning decision-making, planning, problem-solving, and future prediction. Crows make tools. They bend wires to make hooks, break nuts with stones, and dropping pebbles to raise water levels is not instinct, it is reasoning. Scientists have observed that crows imagine solutions before solving problems. If you have ever bothered a crow, it will never forget you. Experiments have found that crows remember human faces for years. And the most terrifying thing? They share this information with other crows.